Well, a quick update for today. Not a lot to show for what I did all day long, but it was a full day. I got the tabs welded underneath the floor pan here. Hold that down in the front now. Added another tab in here because the Lexan will come down the sides and come up to here. It'll be fabric from here back. I added this in underneath. I'm going to end up putting a piece of aluminum in here to keep anything from possibly, if it gets dropped in the cockpit, from rolling back and getting lost in this area underneath the baggage compartment. Got that. Smoothed some of the welds up. Didn't grind a lot off of it. Didn't want to do that. I just wanted to smooth them slightly. A lot easier than trying to file them. Added 2 tabs in here for this cover that's going to have to go on this, because I've mentioned there is a bolt that goes through this that I will have to be able to get to service. I'm in the process right now of trying to balance out the elevator a little bit so it doesn't have quite so much down force on the control stick. So that's all I got done today, but pretty happy with the progress though. It is coming along. Thanks for watching. Bye.